Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this very brief video today. And I've got a quick power thought I want to share with you. And, one of the keys to progress, to success, is taking consistent action. So our power thought in this quick message is consistent action is the key to success. Consistent action is the key to progress. Okay. It's important now to establish clear goals and create actionable plans to achieve those goals. Okay. It's also important to take small, consistent steps toward our goals each day. The idea here is to build momentum and maintain focus. Track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. And that is so vitally important that you do celebrate, your successes, your achievements. Okay. And what this does, it reinforces a sense of accomplishment and motivation. So grab the link now to my Make Money Online and Personal Growth newsletter. It's absolutely free to sign up, and you can unsubscribe at any time. Man, if you're interested in, working a home-based business, okay, or you're interested in personal growth and development, you're interested in learning some other ways that you can market online, then this is the newsletter you need to grab hold of, okay? And so there you have it. I'm going to leave the link in the description area of this video. Get signed up today, all right? And I hope to see you on the inside. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. You be blessed today. Bye-bye now.